وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَشَدُّ حُبًّا لِلَّهِ. Yet those who believe love Allah more. Those who believe have more love, stronger love for Allah. Do you? Compare yourself to your business partner. Compare yourself to your colleague in school, at work. Do you love Allah more than him? Show it, prove it. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَشَدُّ حُبًّا لِلَّهِ. We love Allah more than anything else. When you meet other people, non-Muslims, can they tell that you love Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam? Would they say to you, oh, what happened to you? Say, I can't eat, I can't drink. I am in love. I don't know what to do. Oh, really? You're in love? Oh, tell me, who's this lucky girl? Oh, it's not a girl. Oh, what's going on? What's going on? Oh, this is a very dangerous area. Oh no, I'm in love with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Who? Tell me. I am in love with the best of mankind. Have you ever heard of a man was most beautiful on the face of the earth, most merciful on the face of the earth? Allah created, culminated in him every perfection, was the seal of all prophets, came with a message that was full of mercy for humanity. He's the messenger of Islam, the prophet of Islam, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. I am in love with him. I think very few people can tell this.